installing the eFXs theme and the WP Swift SBA plugin. Let's begin by creating a local instance of WordPress. For this, we will use local, formerly known as local by Flywheel. Once the installation is complete, open the WordPress admin panel. The next step is to clean up all the default pages that come with a fresh WordPress installation. This will give us a clean environment to start with. Now, let's install the eFXs theme. This theme takes care of completely cleaning the WordPress frontend, removing styles, structures, and visual elements that WordPress includes by default, so that the WP Swift SBA plugin has full control over the site. With the theme activated, let's continue with the installation of the WP Swift SBA plugin. Go to the Plugins section, upload the plugin file, and activate it. Upon activation, you will see an alert asking if you want to install the base templates. We recommend doing so, especially if it's your first time using the plugin, as it will help you quickly get familiar with its structure and functionality. These templates will automatically generate the necessary pages with the optimal configuration. And that's it, your web platform will be fully functional. Now, open your website in an incognito window to check that everything is loading correctly. And from now on, say goodbye to unnecessary page reloads. With WP Swift SBA, your site will be faster, cleaner, and offer a much smoother experience.